Bonjour!
Bonjour.
Today we will be learning about articles.
Articles are the words before nouns. In French, they indicate the number and gender, but in English, they don't.
There are two different types of articles, definite and indefinite. Definite articles are used when you're talking about a noun that is specific, and indefinite articles are used when you're talking about a noun that is not specific.
In English, the is a definite article, and a/an is an indefinite article. A/an is un or une. Un is used for masculine words. Une is used for feminine words. The plural is des.
In French, the is le or la. Le is masculine and la is feminine. The plural of la/le is les. When a noun starts with E, A, I, O, U, or H, you would use L apostrophe.
Now let's take a look at some examples.
Le grill pond. La télévision. Les fleurs. L'orange. Une lampe. Un vin. Des tennis. We hope you enjoyed this video and now have a better understanding of how to use articles.
In the description box below, we included some helpful links that will give you some more practice and information about articles.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Au revoir.
Au revoir!